Happy Christmas to everybody. We just want to wish everybody Merry Christmas and thank you very much for everybody coming down in the year. And a real big Merry Christmas to Alf and Tony. We wouldn't be here without them. We really appreciate them letting us use the track and trusting us. So Merry Christmas to them and all our customers. We'll put on the end who's helped us all this year. But everybody that's helped us, marshals, everybody, really appreciates it. And the person behind the camera. Right. Well, I asked Santa last year, I wanted a 125. I said, can I have a 125 for Christmas? And what he got me was a mountain bike, because he said I was too fat. Is that right?
Yeah, because you want to lose some weight.
Yeah,
riding that one first.
I know. So I was 21 stone, and all I want for Christmas is a 125. I've always wanted a 125.
You are too fat to ride.
So I sent off to Santa this year, and I asked for a 125. What did he say?
Oh,
you're still too fat.
You are too fat.
Still too fat.
You still need to lose 16
yeah,
stones.
so I've lost 5 stone, and I'm still too fat for a 125.
Yeah, you have to lose at least 12 stones.
Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show Santa I can still ride a bike at 16 stone, and hopefully next year he'll get me a 125. So I've stolen George's bike. Don't tell him, he doesn't know. I've got it here. So happy Christmas, George. You've got your bike. We're going to see if we can ride it.
Anywhere we go, we are number one. Kill all this home them one by one.
You've been back. No, you can't ride here. No more.
I'm ruining the track.
No, it's too slippy because you already told all the customers you can ride on the track. You can go there.
No. But I'm meant to do the learn to ride. I'm meant to be the coach.
No, you shouldn't do it. It's too wet.
You're banned. Ready?